Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where I will show you how I made this cool double exposure effect image using Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. First, I will open up Adobe Photoshop and bring in this image I want to work with. Then click on this log and make it a layer. Go to properties and click on remove background. Wait a little bit and it will nicely remove the background. Now press Ctrl plus J to copy the layer and right click on mask and select apply layer mask option and delete the first layer. Once the person is all set on their own layer, I will give it a name. Next, make the background bigger so we have plenty of space to work with. Okay, now go to adjustment layer and select solid color. I will select white color and keep this layer behind the model. Alright, now I will select the model layer and desaturate it. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus U, or you can go to image, adjustment and choose desaturate. We will open the second image now. Go to file, place embedded and place this image. Alright, now we will adjust the size of it. I will name it road, change its opacity around 50%. This way I can see where I want to replace it before I will start working on it. Now I will select the model layer and press Ctrl and click on it to load the selection of the model. Now select the mountain layer and then click on this layer mask icon. And as you can see, this will create a skeleton of the model. Alright, now I will make a copy of this model layer and keep it on the top of the model layer. Change its blending mode to lighten and we will get a cool effect in here. Reduce the opacity of it around 50%. Now I will apply a layer mask on it and select the layer mask here and then select the soft brush tool with a 40% opacity and black foreground color. Start deleting this area. Alright, now select the mountain layer, make sure that you are on layer mask and start deleting to reveal the face of the model. Alright. Now I will select the color fill layer and select a color and press OK. Now select the mountain layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. And now take the layer mask and delete it. Now change the blending mode to lighten. As you can see, this will create a cool effect with the clouds. Press Ctrl T to transform it and now right click and select flip horizontal to make the clouds behind the model's face. But there are still other parts from the image visible. So apply a black layer mask on it by holding Alt on keyboard and one click on this layer mask icon. Now select the brush tool with white foreground color. Start brushing here to make only this part of the clouds visible. Alright, now I will select this top layer and go to adjustment and choose solid color. I will pick a soft pink color and press OK. Change the blending mode to multiply. Set the opacity around 20%. Now I will create a stem visible layer. Press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Then desaturate. Change the blending mode to soft light. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.